Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to study about list. So in HTML we have got three types of list. First is ordered list, second is unordered list, and the third one is description list, which is not used that much. So let's start from ordered list. As the name says, it is an ordered list, which means the lists are shown along with the numbers as a prefix, and it starts with the OL tag, which is the abbreviation of ordered list. So within OL tag we have to give LI tag, and we can write here the content ordered list 1. Let's duplicate it. Another one is unordered list. So in unordered list we get the list with the bullet points. Again the structure starts with the abbreviation of unordered list, which is UL. So let's write UL tag, and within UL tag again we have to give LI tag, just like ordered list. So ordered list and unordered list is same. There's only one difference, that the outer tag is OL and here the outer tag is UL. Let's duplicate it. The third one is description list. This is not used much in our daily project, but since it's there in HTML, so you should always be aware with all the details. So again the structure starts with the abbreviation of list name, list title, which is DL. DL means description list. But here within description list or within DL we are not writing LI tag. Instead of that we are writing DT, which stands for description title, and after DT we are giving DD, which stands for description data. So let's write description title 1, and here let's write description data 1. Let's duplicate this. Let's save and see the result. In ordered list we are getting serial number as 1 2 3, and in unordered list we are getting bullet points. In description you can see the title is starting from the leftmost side, but data is starting from here, just like a paragraph. Like if you are writing some article, the heading starts from left but the main content starts from here. And one more thing, this unordered and ordered list, especially unordered list, are also used for making menus, but unlike table we can use this for both type of menu, horizontally and vertically. So that's all for list. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you so much.